So say you're given 1,250 mcg, micrograms, and you want to convert those to milligrams. Here's how you do it. So there are 1,000 micrograms in 1 milligram. That's our conversion factor. When we go from micrograms to milligrams, we just divide by 1,000. So we take our 1,250 micrograms, we divide by 1,000. And remember, it's 1,000 micrograms per milligram. And we can just write that like this, micrograms per milligram. So we're going to do our division. We go 1, 2, 3 here. And let's do the same up here. 1, 2, 3. And we end up with 1,250 micrograms equals 1.25. We're going to leave this last zero off, milligrams. And we know it's milligrams because micrograms here and here cancel out. We're left with milligrams. We know we did it right. So in answer to our question, 1,250 micrograms equals 1.25 milligrams. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.